Hello, this is Builder Elephant, and for today's tutorial, I'm going to change up the style a little bit. So when it's all done, in the comments below, please let me know what you think of the new format. Do you like it? Should I stick with it? Or should I just go back to the old format for these micro tutorials? But let me know when it's all done. Today, we're going to build Wonder Woman's invisible jet in micro scale. And the way you kind of create these micro builds is you really have to kind of first imagine them in full scale. So, how would Wonder Woman sit in an invisible jet? Well, her legs would be up because she'd be in a chair. Her arms would be raised a little bit centered and down so that she'd be holding on to the controls of the invisible jet. And then once you figured that out and you got her in the right position, you have a micro scale invisible jet using 0 Lego pieces. And in case I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, April Fools! Although in honesty, this might actually work for stop motion or mock work. Anyway, hope you all have a great day and don't fall for too many pranks.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.